Okay, looking at log laws 1 and 2, mostly focusing on those laws in these couple of questions. So we've got log AMN means we can do log AM plus log AN, and the log A of M divided by N means we've got log of AM take away log AN. So remembering it has to be the same base for our log to be able to do that. Just like when we are multiplying with our algebra, if we've got the same base, we can add the indices, or same base, we can, and we're dividing, we can subtract the indices. So in this case, we've got log 10 5 plus log 10 2. We can bring those together and make that log 10 of 5 times 2, which is 10. Now we can flick to our rule number 5 there, and if we have the same two numbers here, that means it's going to equal 1. In the next one, we've got the same base, the 2, 2, and we've got a 9 and a 4 there. We're subtracting, so we can write log 2 is 9 over 4. Now we can't go any further with that because 9 doesn't divide by 4 and give a whole number, so we can just leave it as it is there. Looking at the next one, we've got log 2 128. Now I know that when I do my 2 to the power of 7, I'm going to get 128. So I'm going to change that straight away to try and simplify there. Then I've got these two that have the base 3 and I'm subtracting. So I can do a divided by there and do 45 over 5. Now 45 divided by 5 is going to be 9. Now I can bring my 7 down here and use one of my other log laws there. And then over here I can simplify my log 9, the 9 there, to a 3 squared. Now I know that log 2 2 is going to be 1, so I've got 7 times 1. I can bring that 2 down at the front and I get log 2 lots of log 3 3, which I know is going to be 1 again there. So I've got my 7 times 1, which is 7. And here I've got log 3 3 is 1, so I've got 2 times 1, which is 2. So overall, that is going to equal 9. Now my last one that I have here, I've got a subtraction. I've got the same base, so I can write my log. I can put my x plus 2 over 2 there, and that equals 1. Now knowing that I've got a 1 there, and sorry I didn't write my base there, that means that I must have a 3 here, so log 3 3 to give me 1. So I know that my x plus 2 over 2 must equal 3 using that rule. So then I can multiply 3 by 2 and I get x plus 2 is equal to 6, and then I can take away 2 and I get my x equals 4. I am going to go through a few more in the next video on logs, the log laws numbers 3 and 4, with a bit more about that relationship with the log AA one, and a bit more with our negatives and bringing down that power as well.